I want you to give for me, live for me, live for me. What's up, y'all? Can you hear me? What's up, pa? Yo, we a little late today. We'll see how many people actually show up. I had to get a little gym session in with my boy. Much needed. And uh and now we're here, bro. Oh. Analytics, what's up, y'all? Can y'all let me know y'all here in the chat before we get started. We a little bit closer to fucking power hour, so we'll kind of see how today goes. I'm kind of excited, honestly. What's the name of the sessions? What's the name of the sessions indicator? ZenLab All One, bro. The infamous, the notorious, the number one indicator on this fucking platform. Let's go. What up, Luis? How you doing? What up, Skeleton? How you doing, bro? We chilling? You good? Been a long day, bro. God damn. All right, check it out. See what we got going on here. Make sure I don't miss anything. The market, bro, has been sending it. Wow. What happened at 2 o'clock when we usually hop on? Let me just look right quick. Nothing. Hell yeah, we ain't miss shit, bro. We ain't miss shit. All right, so check it out. We start to break back below this area of rejection. We already came back down to retest this area. If we, even though we are ungodly bullish right now, if we start to break beyond this area, this third trend line tap, all that, I'm going to aggressively sell this market off, bro. I'm going to risk like 10, 15% of this account, and we're going to have our first trade of the week, 4 p.m. session. So just something to get ready for. We got to be real cautious if we start to break above these highs. I mean, we're in a little like, 27-point range. We got to be really, really cautious when we break highs, just because there is a lot of liquidity sitting above these highs, bro. Like a lot of fucking liquidity for sure. We just grabbed New York highs, and so maybe that's liquidity being fulfilled, but there's a lot of buy orders sitting up here, and for people who just decided to short just because we've stalled out so much, there's a lot of stop losses sitting up here. So we got to be a little cautious there as far as buys. US 30, and I'm pushing through this a bit quick because I don't want to miss those shorts that look like they're about to play out. US 30, on the other hand, we have a clean range, bro. This whole area here, we start to break above highs. We've already grabbed liquidity here with this last push, I don't know, like 15 minutes ago here. And so if we start to break back above, I'm definitely open to take buys. And if we start to break below here, same shit. We get volume behind the move, I'm definitely open to take shorts. I just don't want to be a part of this little third trend line tap that we got going on. So we just got to be cautious here. All right, I'm going to put split screen up. We're going to have NAS on left-hand side. We're going to have US 30 on right-hand side. And let's get this account going, bro. It's fucking Wednesday. We have no trades on this account, which is nuts to me. Let's get this thing going. All right, we start to wick fill previous candle lows here, bro. We have a 9-point ATR on NAS. Wow. It's actually kind of crazy. I don't really use below a 30 point, but we're gonna cut that in half. We're gonna use a 15-point SL today, so we're in more, I guess, compliance with what current volume is during this set period of time. Trip underway. Trip ended. What? I got my car in the shop right now, and I get notified every time they turn it on and shit. So I always just be seeing if they're trying to take my shit around the block or, you know. First time I took it to the shop, they drove it for 25 miles. I'm like, bro, you're changing my tire. Why the fuck are you driving it for 25 miles, bro? I think they just wanted to drive it. What up, Zing pal? How you doing, bro? We still got 40 people here for 3:30. That's solid, bro. I wasn't sure if we'd have like 10 people here just 'cause it's a later time or. That's solid, bro. Good to see y'all in here doing your thing. What do we got going on this week? I'm about to put a poll up. I was nasty profitable this week until today. I got hit. I got hit for London and for New York. Are you profitable this week? And for New York session. So my 1 to 3 I hit. I had a 21K day yesterday for London session, and I don't know if you guys know I had technical difficulties yesterday. I went to vet and all that shit. I lost it all today. 3 trades, lost, and lost all, which is nuts, man. What's the likelihood of that shit happening? But it's all good, you know? Carry on. Yes, no, break even. All right. Answer the poll. I want to see where you guys are at for the week. Hope your cat's doing well, bro. Yeah, he's good, bro. He has a, we're not the ones to go to the doctor ourselves and shit, you know? We try to solve it on our own. I mean, they just learn from the book, and we learn from our real body experiences. So the body can heal a lot of things on its own. We'll just put it that way. And we let it sit for like a week and a half, 2 weeks, bro. He would wake us up in the middle of the night with these nasty, like, sneezing, coughing fits. And then, like, because you know I never sleep damn near at this point. Bro, when he breathes through his nose, you just hear it all stuffed and fucked up. And so we figured it. We decided yesterday was enough is enough. We need to take him to the ER. Brought him in. He just has a nasty sinus infection. They gave us these little syringes that got like this much medicine. It looks like, you know, like a little, you know, when babies are sick and they got that little syringe shit, whatever. And we have to give them one of those for 10 days, and then he'll be good. So yeah, little man's good. He's 8 years old. He's my oldest animal out of my 2 dogs and 2 cats, and it is what it is, brother. Moving on, carrying on. I need another funded hero, bro. I lost it. Laugh aloud. 302 hit. What do you mean? You lost your account today? In one day? Or you just said you've had a bad run? What do you mean? What's going on? You see the use code Zen for 50% off all challenge types. Use that thing, big dog. If you got you trading an instant funded account or just a regular 2-step, 1-step challenge? I might bless you today and pass your shit for free if you buy it today. I don't mind. I'm in the giving nature. Okay, we have good volume coming in here. We've had a nice little 20-point spike. Okay, look for potential buys. Again, we're not just going to take a break because we mechanically break above highs. I want to see some good volume behind this move. It's going to be 15 points, and we'll see what happens once we break above highs. New 5-minute candle just opened up. We got a new 15-minute candle that's coming in 5 minutes, but this is clean. Fast track. I'm gonna need another funded hero fast pass account. All right, bro. Just DM me. I got you. Buy the account. Make sure it's fast pass, not instant funded. Fast pass. You get the 2% better drawdown, and you get the 5% better consistency rule, and I'll get a pass for you. I got you. Zing pow. Appreciate all 53 of you guys for showing up. We got about 5 minutes before we get into an incredibly beautiful fucking trade. The first trade of the week on this PM session. And we got about 15 to 18 minutes before we hit target and pull out some parcels. Hell yeah. Just created that bottom wick on new 5 minute candle. Shit, I might even get this in a little bit earlier. We'll see. About to pull a lot of liquidity once we break above this mechanical high, which I'll kind of mark out here. Boom. If we continue with good volume beyond it and don't just reverse, we'll get him literally like right where this shit is sitting at. Something like that. All right, there's the break above highs. Okay, that's what I want to see. And pretty much the next push. Just want to make sure we're not getting grabbed here. But if we continue on, this will be good for us. If we come right back in the range, it's going to show me sellers are really in control here. They want to push price lower. And unfortunately, then we're going to have to wait for price to break back below these lows before we get into a trade, unless I get aggressive, which I doubt I'm going to do today. So there we are. Price is showing us lots of liquidity is grabbed. Sellers are fighting. Don't want this price to continue higher. Will buyers take over, bro? All right, let's get it moving here. US 30 just coming right back in this area of rejection too. So it's like shit like this. We could potentially get aggressive and start to take a break below this very minor structure, but then we got another barrier in the way. Like there's going to be a lot of retail traders sitting down here at this third trend line tab, and that's why I kind of just want to wait until we break below and have some volume behind it. We chilling for now. Lots of buyers just got trapped in this initial move for sure. No doubt in my head. And now that we're getting closer to this new 15-minute candle, this is where it gets tough, bro. It starts to break above before. You know, same shit I always say, but for anybody new here, the likelihood of us creating a top and a bottom wick with all these candles is over 90%. So it's like just hopping in right as we break above highs with this current candle, next candle opens up. It's probably not just going to continue higher. You know, we're probably going to create some type of bottom wick before we start to push higher. So we're trying to just anticipate that shit right now. But we'll see. One more minute left. 38% break even. Yeah, me too, bro. It's all good. 33% profitable, 29% no, 38% break even. Damn, we kind of even here this week. I just did a giveaway today. I know that. Oh shit! Give me a second, because this might be my car. Give me a second. Boy trying to make us miss our trade out here, bro. All right, one last push up here, y'all. We're about to get into these buys. One last push up. We're getting into these buys. It's going to be a 15-point stop loss. Probably the only shot we're going to have unless... Oh, US 30 starting to push now. Never mind. We got that new 15-minute candle open up. We already got the bottom wick form to it. This is... If we're going to continue on, there's probably going to be more liquidity sitting... Whoa. We are in the middle of nowhere. Love to see it. We have a high here and a high. I just want to see where we're at in versus to try and give me a second. Or liquidity. Oh, yeah, we got some room here. Let's give it a shot. Everybody should see my... Is my P&L up? Yeah, let's give it a shot here. 15 points still just seems fat, don't it? Like, damn, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna get another today article. Where y'all at? Is anybody here? We got 62 people in here. I don't fucking... Nobody commenting and shit? Am I alone? Talk to me, bro. Where y'all at? Y'all mad because I didn't hop on it too? Hi, there we is. What's up, known in bits? What's going on, bro? I'll be right back. Since y'all don't want to talk, go get some food. Where's my boy Mexican? I'm on a diet, so I can only eat healthy food. So we got some vegan Funyuns, and then we got some vegan Doritos spicy nachos. They're healthy for you. Price is having a tough time pushing past these highs. Oh, now we're right back up there. Target 1 just got hit. Oh shit, US 30's gone. Target 1 just got hit. Who's in this trade, bro? Big W's. Big W's in the chat. We got 63 people, bro. Big W's in the chat, bro. We smacking over here. Where y'all at? God damn. Alright, I'm going to have to probably pull out BE here if we don't continue pushing. I'm thinking about getting into, yes, straight. There we are. Alright, goddamn, bro. Big W's. Put your stops to BE. If we get taken out, it's all good. My entry's a little bit higher, look. My entry's just a little bit higher. But it's all good. I'm still going to put stops to B. I'm thinking about getting into US 32, so. Looking like we're about to get taken out. I just got taken out of... I got taken out of trade. If you guys would have spammed W's fucking faster, bro, it would have been... It would have been a different situation. Alright, we got a lot of volume coming behind US 30. I'm going to give it a shot, too, at 20 points. One last push higher. Make sure you guys give some serious W's this time so we can fucking push higher quicker. That shit does matter. Man, I hope that Naz doesn't just start to push higher now and clip me up by the littlest fucking amount. It's all good though. We got 2 minutes to this new 5-minute candle. Let's see. Get ready for US 30. I'm about to execute here as soon as we start to push back above. Naz is pushing higher. God, I'll be pissed with that shit. Is anybody new here? Put a 1 in the chat, or put a 2 if you're just hanging around. Zing Pal's new. Welcome, Zing Pal. Jaime is hanging around. Hell yeah. 1 came from the kingdom. Welcome, bro. We got a big W coming your way, big dog. Looking like US 30 is not ready yet. And you know what's crazy? We didn't even break above this high yet, bro. Like, I still think we're about to push. It's like, which one do I want to hop in? Do I want to get on US 30 with the push higher or Nash? We'll see. I'm eyeing both of them. Yo, Limited, hopefully your first time watching me wasn't last night, bro. Oh my god. This shit was disrespectful, G. My bad, I'm going home. You guys can't hear me chewing, right? Although some of you freaky motherfuckers might like that shit. I can come closer if you want. Alright, we're starting to push back up here. New 5-minute candle opens up here in like 10 seconds. This is what we want. New 5-minute candle opening up. Create some type of just little ass bottom wick, and then I'm gonna give it a shot and anticipate price to continue higher. Wow, we don't have a high until all the way up here, bro. Isn't that crazy? Okay, Naz is pushing lower, so far a very good close on Naz. So far. I might as well pull this off so people don't get confused, my bad. You carrying my account with London session close to getting a payout. Let's go, bro. Yeah, listen, bro. My other account is sitting at it's sitting at like 56 right now, bro. Just flow from fucking I went 85 all the way up to 180, now sitting at 156. If I lose tomorrow, I'm telling everybody right now, I'm gonna take out like 20K. Just because I haven't withdrew anything all year. I've just been chilling with this fucking shit. I'm not taking out the whole 50K or 80K. I accepted that, but I'm gonna take a little payout and preach what I teach for sure. Stop fucking around. Any one of these starts to push back up, bro. I'm honestly really down to take the trade, though. I like the volume behind these moves. It's even though it's a little, this is moving a bit faster than when we usually hop on. You know what I'm saying? Damn, bro, them little chips, I can eat like 5 of them bitches right now, to be honest with you. Holy shit. It's really good. I got a question for you guys. Let me end this poll real quick. And then we'll start another poll. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck? Just kidding. All right, answer the poll. If this poll gets up to 60, what do we have, 60 viewers? If this poll gets up to 60 fucking votes out of the 60 viewers, I will give an account away right now. To a lucky soul. If this poll gets up to 60 votes, I will give an account away right now and sell my soul to the market so we never lose ever again. I will call Nancy right fucking now. We're already at 30 votes. Get to voting ASAP. We're already at 30 votes. We're already at 31. 31, 31, 32, 32, 32, 32, 30. How the fuck did it go down to 30? 33, 33, 33, 34. You guys are halfway there, bro. It's the freest money in the world. Imagine if I was going to give away 2 accounts instead of 1 and you'll never know because you didn't vote 60 fucking votes. We're at 67 people. 38, 38, 38. Do we have 40? Almost? Yeah, we cooking, bro. US 30 just doesn't want to fucking push higher, which is fine. And now that we have some time, let's go back to the left. Oh, we already marked out the high. Wow. Wow, bro. We have a lot of traffic. A lot of traffic right now. And it's unfortunate here. Like, we got a hole, bro. We got a hole. Oh, it's 20 points. 20 points before coming down to lows before potentially taking shorts. We'll see. We are actually in power hour in 50 seconds. 6-7, 6-7, 6-7, 6-7. You guys got 12 more votes to go before I sell my soul to the market so we never lose again. Okay. Nas is starting to push. Nas came back down to this area we just broke out of, and now it's ready to push. 49 votes, 49 votes. Time is running out. You guys got 8 seconds left before the poll's over with. 8 seconds left before the poll's over with, and I'm not giving shit away, and I'm not selling my fucking soul. 7, 6, 1, done. I'm just kidding. Hurry up, bro. This is the easiest task. There's 71 people in here. Vote, 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 vote. You guys can watch a live sacrifice on stream for giving me 60 votes. I'm not going to beg to sell my soul, bro. You have to work for that shit. $49. Prop firm funds, 53%. Oh, wow. We got kind of even split. When I first started all this shit, it was always prop firm funds and nobody was trading personal capital. So it looks like the dynamic has switched here. All right, new hourly candle open. New 30-minute candle open. New 15-minute candle open. We're creating that nasty little bottom wick and the potentially starting to push here. There it is. There it is. One last push here and we're hopping into US 30. Second shot. There it is. Everybody should be in US 30 buys. I got a bad entry. What are we talking about here? ATR is reading 23, so we can open it up if you want to 30. No higher risk than 30 points though. All right, no higher. This is sitting at 20 right now, which is our initial risk. If I end up holding a bit beyond just because it's that breakout area, it's no more risk than 30. Target 1 destroyed. Target 1 destroyed. Let's go, baby. I just shot up like 60 to 600 an hour in DD. What the fuck? I didn't pull out BE either. Now we're just tanking, bro. 53 votes, solid. That is not what I want to see. We might actually be getting clipped here. Oh my god. If we start to push back below those lows again, I'm getting out, bro. That's the whole 30 points, too. There's not much more that we can do about that. Yikes. You guys see my P&L, so you'll see as soon as I pull out. I don't want to lose more than like 1,200 here, so. Yuck. Oh, 1,500 it is. Oh my god, today is not my day. All right, well that's a whole 60-point drop in a matter of 1 fucking minute here, and out of our favor. Out? Well, no shit, Sherlock. We're fucking out. That's a whole 75 fucking points in a matter of 1 fucking minute. Jesus, today has been nuts for me, bro. 54 votes, and you guys still didn't get up to 60 votes. The fuck, bro? Big London session tomorrow, coach. Man, you know what time it is, bro. Big London session tomorrow, bro. I got an L again, not our day for show. Jesus Christ, bro. What the fuck? I couldn't even protect my position at target one. It came back down so fucking fast. Jesus. We'll see what happens. If we start to push back below these lows, we'll try to get a little get back. I lost 1,500 there out of the 1,200 I was open to fucking trade. So it's like, yeah, Gianno, I know I saw your post. You might just want to get out of here, big dog. I'm just joking. It is what it is, bro. Move on. And tell you what, if I was trading my bigger account, I would be a little aggressively mad. I probably would have lost fucking 9K, and I would have been a little upset, but it's all good. A little $1,500 don't hurt nobody. It's just annoying because this account has just been fucking flopping back and forth during PM sessions. So, you know, we want to get a little reassurance. But it is what it is. We start to push past these lows here. We got options. Like, if we took the break below these lows, we're opening ourselves up to that third trend line tap, which is the reason why I don't want to take it. But by not taking those lows with this huge volume spike, now we got to wait a whole nother fucking 30 points to low. So it's just kind of... It's kind of tough. I want to be a bit more aggressive than that, but just because we already took one fucking trade, it's so annoying, bro. So annoying. Meanwhile, Naz is taking our push. Naz is looking a lot cleaner for me. Let's see here. Market risk on Naz. Focus up on Naz here. We're gonna leave US30 alone for a bit. It's gonna be the same exact thing. I'm gonna be using a 50-point SL. I'm going to get us in a bit open before these buy. And if this for some reason gets taken out, bro, my system is just ass today for sure. I'm going to accept it and I'm just going to move the fuck on. We've already broken above highs. We've already had sellers try to retrace price back lower. So if we continue now, I'm going to get us in a bit before these highs. And that'll just be it for us. This will be my last trade of the day. 15-point SL. Looks like you guys never got up to the 60 votes, so... Yeah, whatever, bro. No bottom wick gonna form with this candle either? You're kidding me, right? Yeah, but 15-minute looks clean. I'm gonna give it a shot here, yo. I'm in on Nas buys. Make sure you wrist light. Obviously, I've been getting clapped today. This is my 4th trade in a row, which is shocking to me of getting fucking brutalized. So we're transparent traders here today, every day. My girl's over there yelling at the dog. She mad too. Fucking dog. It's a tough day in this household, bro. Tough day in this household. Let's see if we can hit the higher targets. I'm gonna hopefully hold all the way till we get up to this next rejection level. It's just so far away. I might have you guys pull out parcel before then, but for now we're chilling. I'm in Nas buys. Which I got 56 votes left, bro. Y'all are... I really want to be done with this by like 4:30 when Gates closes down anyway. So we only got like 20, 30 minutes left. So we might have to pull parcels anyways, which is kind of a bitch. But we in, let's see. We in there like swimwear. Getting a nice push now. Trying to hold up to pretty much a 2.5 right before this area and we'll pull out. Sitting up 500. Man, that first trade I got just smacked, honestly. Yikes. Sitting up 500. Target one just got hit. Let's go ahead and preserve capital and protect our position this time. Fool me but can't fool me again kind of vibes. And it is what it is, bro. This will be the end of our session if it comes back and takes me out. You guys will see the P&L. It'll drop to 0, and it'll take me out completely. Who's in this trade? Put a 1 in the chat. Hurry, 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 hurry. Or put a 2 if you stayed out. One. Hell yeah. That's it. What up, Justin Dixon? That's it? Only 10 of you guys? 56 votes. Y'all got 4 votes, bro. If I get taken out B, we out of this motherfucker. No free challenge. Or I'm gonna give it to my community probably. I'm just gonna go to the free community, give it to my community. I know they'll give me 60 votes. 59 votes, 58 votes, 59 votes. Oh, too late. Just pulled out of the trade. Too late. Just pulled out of the trade. We're sitting up 600. You guys can pull some parcels here if you want. I'm holding, bro. I don't give a shit. I'm trying to wait. Oh, shit. I see 60 votes. I see 60 votes. All right, so this is what we'll do. We'll give away a 25K account on me. And this is how we'll do it. I'm going to pick a number between 1 to... I'm going to pick a number between 1 to 50. And whoever gets it correct first, after I put a 1 in the chat, if you put a number before I put 1 in the chat, it doesn't count. So you got to wait. Yep, so you already started. Jaime disqualified. Justin Dixon disqualified. Anybody else want to fuck around? Just kidding. 1, known in bits, skeleton, disqualified, bro. All right, we'll pick a number between 50. I'm going to pick 23. All right, so you guys can start. What is the number you think it is? Look, they said 23. It ain't 23, bro. Fucking people. Oh, somebody got really close. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. New 5-minute candle opening up. Hopefully we can hold it. Somebody put 56. The winner, 56. Close, 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 close. My god, my brain is on fire right now looking at this shit. Oh my god, somebody got so close, bro. I can't believe this is still going, actually. I'm about to get taken out here. You'll see the P&L, but I'm about to get taken out. I gotta pay attention to these numbers here. Bro, you guys are so close. I knew that was a good... It's kind of a fucking funny number, because one of my friends says it all the time. So close. There it is. Yeah, Rebel, you cheater. Yeah, Rebel got it. Rebel got it. 41, 41, 41, 41, 41. We're about to get taken out if it comes any lower. Just not my day, bro. Just not my day, bro. And I just got taken out there, BE. That's a done deal. Let me scroll all the way up just to make sure that Rebel was first, because my brain is fried. He said, bro, damn, Luka number? Yeah, y'all fucked that one up, bro. Oh, shit. All right, here's Rebels here. This guy, Freddie, puts it in again. Freddie, you're a special case, big dog. Very special and dear to my heart, brother. All right, Rebels still the guy. What a G. A moderator wins over you guys. That hint was probably not good. But hey. What's fair is square, big dog. Yes, it's you. Wait. Oh, damn, Rebel. Somebody beats you, bro. I'm just kidding. Yeah, now we're good. All right, solid. Rebel, DM me your fucking email, bro. Congratulations, big dog. Appreciate you, Emmitt, for the W. Hell yeah, bro. I'm glad you W'd out somehow, and I fucking didn't. I love that shit. Proud of you, bro. That's gonna be a stream, bro. If you guys are, I guess there's not too much value to get from this. I hopped on very late, my bad. I had to go to the gym with my boy. We had to get a little sweat session out. Obviously, as you guys know, it's been a long fucking day for me. And I'll see you guys for London session. Because I got clapped today, most of you guys follow me for all 3 sessions. I will, just because I'm doing it for bro. And you too, Panda, if you're in here. Whoever wants their account passed for me for fucking free, go to fundedhero.com. The link is in the bio. Buy a fast pass, not instant funded, not phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. You got to do that on your own. Buy the fast pass, which is way better rules than instant funding, and I will pass it for you for free until end of day. Today is the last day. I already said yesterday was the last day, and I'm extending it one more day because I fuck with y'all. So, Rebel, I'm giving you that free 25K account. Congratulations to whoever the hell won the free account in my free group. If you guys are not a part of my free group, literally every week I'm giving away a free 25K. I mean, there's a lot of people in there, so I know likelihood is low, but y'all gotta work, bro. Once we get to this is so easy. This is such easy homework for y'all, fam. But it's all good. It takes time. Once we get up, look at, no way, bro. 90. I told you guys, once we get up to 100 fucking, once we get up to 100 thumbs up on these posts, which she'll put a new one up. The VA will put a new one up every Thursday. Once it gets up to 100, it's fucking 98, 99 now. I'm giving 2 accounts away every single week. And you guys became so fucking close, bro. You were sitting at 64, and then 72, and then 81, and now, no, you can't. Look, now it's 101, and now it's over 100. At 100, boom, I'm taking mine away. I told you guys I'm giving away 2 accounts, so obviously this week is going to be the one. If you're not in the group and you're not participating in this, it's this free account, and it's not for the whole group. It's out of these 100 people who like it. So you have a 1 in 100 chance, or whatever it is, 1 in 110 chance. Before it was 1 in 84 chance to acquire 2 accounts, which means you have a 1 in 50 chance to get it. So make sure you guys hop in. I'm glad to help. I'm glad to give back. But at the same time, I also want this community to grow. So it's kind of incentive for you to hop in there. We have education all day. We have general chats where people are speaking about what they got going on. Testimonials so we can see what we're doing. But the most prevalent point of joining this free group is going to the live recordings, and every single day in my paid group, you guys don't have to pay for it until you want to. Every single day that I'm done with session, I have Zen Enforcer post the link so you can watch how things operate, see what we did, what trades were taken, and just assess everything you're learning from the education side of YouTube, because I have a full free course coming out without gatekeeping shit. You guys can kind of see how we operate. And if you buckle down to not looking at different influencers, different courses, and all this shit where you're just getting information overload, and you buckle down with what I'm showing you every single day within multiple avenues, watching the free education course, hopping on these live calls, potentially hopping on your calls, and reassessing not only what I got going on to show you, to teach you, but journaling your own system. It's inevitable, bro. Just like anything else in life. You're acquiring a stronger muscle by doing the same thing over and over again, and becoming a better trader day by day. So that's my gift to you guys. Again, fast pass, end of day, DM me, whether it's in the free Discord. Make sure it's me, obviously. It's just literally at ZenLab. Nobody else is at ZenLab, not ZEENLAAB or exclamation marks, all that shit. Just ZENLAB. And we'll get you taken care of, bro. But appreciate all of you guys for showing up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're going to probably do the same time, like 2 p.m. EST. It's not going to be this late. Or since you guys still hella showed up, if I end up running a bit late in the gym instead of rushing, we kind of just do it like this, bro. We're here to play price action during, between that 2 to like 4 range, and it's going to give or it's not going to get. It's not like market open. I realize it's a lot. There's not a huge spike in volume. We're really getting a lot more aggressive with price action. So, anyways, big W for you guys. See you tomorrow, bro. Take care.